Hello friends! Welcome to the medium level math riddle challenge. These riddles are a little trickier, so get ready to use your brain. Let's begin. I am a number. If you add 12 to me, then take away 5, I become 37. What number am I? The right answer is 30. I am a number. If you take away 8 from me, then add 14, I become 46. What number am I? Yes! It's 40. I am a number. If you add 20 to me, then take away 10, I become 55. What number am I? You are right. It's 45. If you take away 15 from me, then add 6, I become 31. It's 40. If you add 18 to me, then take away 7, I become 49. The right answer is 38. If you take away 9 from me, then add 11, I become 44. It's 42. If you take away 14 from me, then add 20, I become 51. It's 45. If you add 25 to me, then take away 15, I become 52. It's 42. If you add 16 to me, then take away 9, I become 41. It's 34. If you take away 12 from me, then add 18, I become 43. It's 37. If you add 14 to me, then take away 6, I become 48. It's 40. If you take away 10 from me, then add 25, I become 53. It's 38. If you add 19 to me, then take away 11, I become 44. It's 36. If you take away 16 from me, then add 13, I become 39. It's 42. If you add 21 to me, then take away 8, I become 47. It's 34. Friends, awesome job! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math puzzles. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new challenge. Bye-bye!